Alright, today we're going to look at mapping a letter drive. This is a recommended setup procedure when working with either a multi-user or a shared online folder installation. The first reason to use a letter drive, some files may not be able to be edited over a UNC path. This is any path that begins with the 2 backslashes. Second, folder paths with spaces or unique names can cause access issues as well, so we want to avoid those as much as possible. Rather than renaming your folder structure or moving things around, you can create a mapped drive to a certain folder level and circumvent this issue. Before we create a new drive, you can use an existing one if you already have one. For instance, you'll see here, you can see the LandFX folder is relatively close and there are no spaces in the folder path. I would be perfectly fine using this existing mapped drive. Now, an important note before we begin, if you're working with multiple users, it's important that the drive letter and path are identical from each station, as using a different drive letter or having a different path will affect both LandFX details and xrefs. You'll run into issues as you move between users. To create your new drive, first we're going to need the tool. Our multi-user and shared online folder install pages will have a direct link, or you can also grab the tool by searching on our support page for map a drive or map letter drive or mapping a drive. Once you're ready to create your new drive, the process is pretty simple now. You're going to fire up the tool, click browse to find your folder location. First we're going to do the shared online folder. This will be like a Google Drive or a OneDrive or a Dropbox or something similar, and you'll generally be on your C drive. Then pick your drive letter and hit map. That's it. You're done. Now we're just going to repeat that process, but map to a server location. Everything is the same, just to a different area in the browse dialog. Do note that it may take a few seconds for the network tab to populate, but it will show up.